Hey everyone, Brian here at AMS Performance, and today we're going to talk about our V10 twin turbo kit for the Lamborghini Huracan and Audi R8. So this is a kit we've spent a lot of time working on, a lot of engineering hours, going through all the components, getting everything working, putting it all together as a package you can go and bolt on your car, include all of the parts that you want, and get something capable of about 8 to 1600 horsepower right out of the box that's going to work right and work reliably. At the core of the kit is a Garrett GTX style turbo. That CHRA package can be set up in a number of different trims. We of course have recommendations for what we would like to see on these cars, but you can spec out all of the different trims that you like. It's all designed to fit in, and you can go ahead and bolt that in your kit. They come with lava rock protection blankets. The rear of these cars, it does look like there's quite a bit of room in them. One of the things that is a little bit tricky about these mid-engine cars is that from the outside it looks like there's a lot of space. Once you start getting into it, the packaging is actually pretty limited. So a lot of thermal management is required, along with a lot of scanning, a lot of measurement to get everything run well and run efficiently and run in a way that's going to last a long time and be reliable on the street and on the track, to get the kit all the way together. So the turbo blankets are very important for managing the heat in the rear bumper area. Handling the hot air out of the turbo is the Garrett, what we call the Garrett 1000 horse core. That is TIG welded to our custom made intakes and intercooler piping that all comes beautifully powder coated. If you want optional colors, that is possible. On the hot end of the turbo is our Alpha X pipe, fully TIG welded here in-house and engineered. It comes with tungsten ceramic coating. Again, just like the turbo blankets, we want to handle as much of that heat internally and keep it going out the back of the car instead of spreading to all of the other components. Of course, there's intake components right near it, there's composites, you have the bumper, you have a lot of plastic and wiring, so managing the additional heat from a turbocharged system, especially one making 1600 horsepower, is very important, and that's why our Alpha X pipe comes with that coating as standard. Of course, with charge air, it's going to need to be cooled. As we discussed, we're using the Garrett 1000 horsepower core. That's an air to water core, so we do need additional cool water to cool the charge air coming from the turbos. And what we did was we put 2 heat exchangers up front, and you have a lot of tubing going all the way from the water pump to the heat exchangers, and that fills from our Alpha water tank. That's all engineered, bracketed in. It fits very nicely with all the stock components. And we're using a brushless pump. The reason that we did that is because, again, you have a lot of tubing, which creates a lot of pressure resistance just for moving the water through. And to make a lot of power and to make it efficiently, we want that charge air cool. So the brushless pump allows us to move lots of water even at a lot of resistance without drawing a lot of power, and it's also very easy to control. The heat exchangers themselves are a Motorsport grade part. They've been tested for efficiency. We spent quite a bit of time making sure that the fin count was right, the fin type was right, getting the right amount of density for the core itself to operate at maximum efficiency. Of course, you can have something that's too loose, it doesn't have enough surface area for the air to wick away the heat from the water. You can also make it a little too dense and then the air is not moving through, so it's a little bit of a careful balance to establish something that's actually going to work optimally for the amount of power we're seeing and the amount of airflow area we have up at the front of the car. To control boost, we're using TiAL components on both the exhaust and intake side, so we're using their blow-off valves and their wastegates. They're very high quality pieces. They allow us really fine boost control, or more importantly, allow you boost control. This twin turbo kit allows you to connect any TCU, any ECU, any trans setup you want, so you can fully customize your package to the kind of build you're going for, whether it's street, strip, road race, just a fun canyon car. It's a very versatile kit and it's very reliable. Like everything else we make, we spend a lot of time on the little details. So this kit's gonna come with all of the hardware you need, wiring, connectors, plumbing, clamps, grommets, all the little things that can be frustrating, especially when you're doing a custom build. We try to remove that from the equation as much as possible so that you know you're getting quality, you're getting a solution when you open up the Alpha box. twin turbo kit is the core of our alpha packages. The alpha packages come with ECU tuning, TCU tuning, they come with map switching, some fuel solutions, all of the things that would make something plug and play, we took out so that you can customize your turbo kit to your needs. This turbo kit is available for the Audi R8, the Lamborghini Huracan, and the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. We hope you check it out. A lot of the guys here put some really awesome work into making something that meets our standards of quality and hopefully your standards of performance. Thanks for watching. For more information and data, visit us at amsperformance.com.
Visit amsperformance.com today.